Hey folks, Sega Sonic fan here. So I'm finished with my sound dampening hack for the WESD51. For those that don't know, this station is it's a great little station. I've had it for many years, but it has a rattling noise that it makes while it's heating up, which is very, very annoying and very audible, especially if you're soldering for many hours. And it just drives me mad when I'm working late nights. It helps if I plug the thing in, doesn't it? So I came up with a way to fix it by removing the power transformer, which is the thing that creates the sound, and removing both plastic covers that are snapped onto either sides of it, and placing rubber stoppers, or rubber foam stoppers, underneath the four corners. And then I went ahead and zip tied the grounds onto here, so I'm not using screws that are screwing into the case, so it'll rattle in the case, is what it used to do. So I got those zip ties holding in the grounds, got the four rubber stoppers, and I went ahead and also kind of soundproofed the case a little better, sound dampened the case with some rubber and foam bits as well, because this case works as an echo chamber, amplifying the really annoying noise. If I had some, I would put some styrofoam in here possibly right there, but it's heating up right now and I don't hear anything, which is fantastic. I think this hack is going to work really well, and I recommend it to all you people with the WESD51 out there that are bothered by this sound. If you're not bothered by the sound, more power to you. Solder away. This is Sega Sonic fan signing out.